Hello students, how are you all? I hope that you all are safe and healthy in your homes and you all are doing your studies well, right? So students, today we will learn a new topic, a new concept. Are you all ready to learn a new topic? Okay, shall we start today's topic? Okay, before starting our topic, let's know that what's our topic name. Okay, so students, our today's topic name is longest and shortest. What's the topic name? Longest and shortest. To understand this concept, we will take the help of some objects and some pictures. Okay, let's start today's topic. Okay, here you can see that I have taken 3 pencils. How many pencils? 3 pencils I have taken. And now you have to learn that which pencil is the longest and which pencil is the shortest. So understand the terms first of all, that what is the longest one. So longest one is the object which are long in length, and the shortest one is that object which has the short in length, okay, which is short in length. And in these pencils we can say that this pencil is the longest and this pencil is the shortest, because this is small in length and this is big in length. Okay, so this pencil is the longest and this pencil is the shortest, longest. Okay, if I will change the position of these pencils now, what will you answer? Now we can say that ma'am, this pencil is the longest and this pencil is the shortest among 3 pencils. Okay, among all these 3 pencils, because this pencil is long in length. This is big in size now, big in size or long in length, and this pencil is the short in size, the shortest one. This is the longer than this one. Okay, and this is the shortest among all. So this is the shortest and this is the longest. Okay students, let's take another example. Here you can see that I have a pictures of snake. Who are these? These are snakes. In these snakes we have to recognize that which one is the longest and which one is the smallest or shortest. Now can you recognize that which one is the longest? Yes, you can answer that ma'am, the snake, this one. This snake is long in length. This is the long in length. So this is the longest. And this snake is the short in length. So this is the shortest. Okay, shortest, longest, long in size. Okay, and this is the short in size, short in length. So this is the shortest and this is the longest among these 3 snakes. Okay students, I hope that you got this concept. Let's take the example of another objects. Okay, now you can see that I have taken the pictures of, yes, trees. These are trees. Here also we have taken 3 trees. How many trees? 3 trees. 1, 2, 3. So in these trees you have to tell me that which one is the shortest and which one is the longest. Can you tell me? Okay, which tree is the short in size or short in length? This tree is the short in length. And which is the large in length? Biggest one. This one is the longest one. Okay, this one is the longest and this one is the shortest. I have changed the position of trees. Now you have to answer that which one is the longest and which one is the shortest. Then you will answer that ma'am, this middle one, this tree is the longest because this is having longest length, and this tree is the shortest. This is short in size. Okay, and this one is the longest. Got it students? I hope that you all got this concept. Let's take one more example to understand this. Now we have a pictures of candles. How many candles we have with us? 3 candles. 1, 2, 3. in these 3 candles, you have to tell me that which candle is the longest and which candle is the shortest. You have only 2 seconds. Done? Okay. Now I will tell you that which one is the longest and which one is the shortest. Okay. The shortest one. This one? No. This one? No. This one is the shortest one because this is small in size. Okay, small in size, small in length. So this is the shortest one. And now we have to tell that which one is the longest. Now this one is the longest. No, this is the shortest one. This one is the longest. No, this one is the longest. Okay, students. So this candle is the longest candle among these 3 candles. Okay, students. So students, I hope that you all got this concept, longest and shortest. Okay, thank you students and thank you parents. Dear parents, you can also take the help of daily life examples to understand this concept in more better way.